It is the 75th Independence Day this year, which means answer A. India has achieved 74 years of freedom. Which of the following is are true regarding the ratio of the national flag? Answer D. Both A and B. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hosts our tricolor flag at answer B. The Red Fort, Old Delhi. Who among the following was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of independence? Answer C. Clement Attlee. Who among the following was the first Governor General of New Dominions of India? Answer A. Lord Mountbatten. The famous quote "A Trace with Destiny" is given by answer B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following plan was known as the partition plan? Answer D. Mountbatten plan. Which of the following are the extremist leaders? Answer D. All of the above. Who presided over the 1905 Congress session in Banaras? Answer A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. When the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? Answer D. 13 April 1919. Match the following is are not correctly matched. Answer C. Only two. Kheda Satyagraha 1918. Who presided over the 1907 Congress session in Surat on the bank of the river Tapti? Answer A. Firoz Shah Mehta. In which season of the Congress both extremist and moderate leaders were united? Answer B. Lucknow. When was non-cooperation movement started? Answer B. 1920. When was Gandhi Arvind Pact signed? Answer B. 5th March 1931. Which is the only licensed flag production unit in India? Answer A. Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Sanyukta Sanghya. When was India's national flag hosted for the first time and where? Answer A. August 7, 1906 at the Parsi Bagan Square, Kolkata. Who is the writer of the national anthem of India? Answer A. Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first president of Independence India? Answer C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What does the Ashok Chakra on the Indian tricolor stand for? Answer A. The wheel of law or dharma. In which year was Jan Gan Man adopted by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem? Answer A. 1950. Who designed the Indian Parliament building? Answer C. Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker. Who were the first Bharat Ratna awardees? Answer C. C. Raja Gopalachari, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and C.V. Raman. The first Indian National Army was founded by? Answer B. Captain Mohan Singh. The first mass movement started by Mahatma Gandhi was? Answer A. Non-cooperation movement. The freedom fighter who died in jail due to the hunger strike was? Answer C. Jatendra Nath Das. Who gave the powerful slogan "Do or Die"? Answer A. Mahatma Gandhi.